All right, what's going on, guys? So for those of you that don't know me, my name is Michael. I do work on a Ford Focus ST, but the ST views, man, they ain't cutting it. So you know what? I had to trade it in. And this is what I got. A 2016 Camaro SS Redline Edition. No, I'm just kidding. It's my boy Trey's. So what we're doing today is putting on these side skirts. And yeah, they're not very difficult. All you gotta do, just put the double-sided sticky tape on the sides, and then there's 7 little screw holes. Yeah, it comes with screws and washers. You just go underneath, have two-person job. You have one person holding, one person screwing it all in. And we'll have to jack it up, and yeah, it's on there. So, I'll show you how it's done. All right, so here is the finished product. Oh wait, I have that wide angle. Shoot, son. Boom. Ooh. Ooh. This is what it looks like. We were gonna keep going and install a new grill. Here's the grill, but it's cold and we wanna wait for a nice warm day. I think it's pretty sick, honestly. It's gonna be dirty once we get it. So I'm just gonna end it here. So stay tuned. We will be seeing this car again, maybe for a review, and also putting on that grill, but it's just gonna be warmer. So yes, and let's see it start up.